In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.2, question number 5, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. Write in terms of iota. Part number 1, that is under root of minus 1b. So under root of minus 1 can also be written in iota form. Iota is equal to under root of minus 1. So equal to iota b. Second part, that is under root of minus 5. So under root of minus 1 dot under root of 5. Under root of minus 1 value is equal to iota under root of 5. Third part, that is under root of minus 16 divided by 25. So under root of minus iota take common into under root of separate and under root of 16 divided by 25. So 16 is the square of 4 and 25 is the square of 5. 4 divided by 5 whole square is equal whole square. So square root cancel, iota 4 divided by 5 which is equal to 4 divide 5 iota. Next part 4, that is under root of 1 divided by minus 4. So minus common 1 divided by under root of minus 1 separate and under root of 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by iota. Under root of minus 1 is equal to 1 divided by iota. So under root of 1 divided 4 can also be written in the form of 1 divided by 2. So iota divided by 2 iota. So by rationalization, iota multiply numerator and denominator by iota. So iota divided by iota square dot 2. So iota square is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 iota divided by minus 2. So which is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 iota, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.